Sun is shining and it's perfect rosé weather. Now, I was given this bottle just the other day, sent over from Moldova, and it's by a winery called Comrade. And they're based in the Gurguza region of Moldova, which is in the south. The wines, when they're good, they're brilliant. But let's have a look at this one. It is 60% Cabernet Sauvignon, 40% Merlot. Let's get it in the glass. Great start. It's already smelling decent. Plenty of red fruit, a little bit of creaminess. Pale orange colour. Hopefully you can see that against my white top. Let's get it in the mouth. Strawberries, red currant, raspberry, little bit of cream. It's not bad. A little bit of red currant as well, a little bit of acidity. Dry rosé, perfect for this time of year. Get out and enjoy a rosé in the summer.